How to remove a passkey from your Google account if you switched phones, sold an old device, or simply want to clean up your Google security settings. Knowing how to remove a passkey is essential. In the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how to do it on both your phone and your computer. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are covering how to remove a passkey from your Google account. This works on Android, iPhone, and desktop. Let us get straight into it. Step 1. On your phone, open any browser or the Google app and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then tap Manage your Google account. On a desktop, go to myaccount.google.com and sign in. Step 2. Tap or click on the Security tab. You will find it at the top of the page on desktop or by swiping through the tabs on mobile. Step 3. Scroll down until you see the section called How You Sign into Google. Inside that section, tap Passkeys and Security Keys. Google will ask you to verify your identity before continuing. Go ahead and authenticate using your fingerprint PIN or face unlock. Step 4. You will now see a list of all the passkeys saved to your Google account. Each one shows the device it was created on. Find the passkey you want to remove. On mobile, tap the X icon next to it. On desktop, tap the passkey and then tap Remove. Step 5. Google will ask you to confirm. Tap Remove again to finalize. That passkey is now permanently deleted from your Google account. If you have multiple passkeys to remove, you will need to repeat this process for each one individually. Pro tip: if you lost a phone or sold a device that had a passkey on it, remove that passkey from your Google account immediately. Even if someone else has the device, removing the passkey from your account means it can no longer be used to sign in to your Google account, keeping your information fully protected. And that is it. In just a few taps, you can remove any passkey from your Google account, whether it is an old phone, a shared device, or one you just no longer need. Simple, quick, and keeps your account secure. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Google tips and tutorials. Have another Google account question? Drop it in the comments below and I will cover it in an upcoming video. See you next time.